Hello guys, welcome to a new video. On July 15th, 2011, a film directed by Zoya Akhtar was released. This film consisted of an ensemble star cast consisting of popular celebrities like Hrithik Roshan, Katrina Kaif, Farhan Akhtar, Kalki Koechlin, Abhay Deol and special appearances like Naseeruddin Shah. Film gained vast support and immense love from audiences worldwide. They found comfort and relatability in this movie. The music score, songs, cinematography, and screenplay was highly emphasized as well. With a budget of 45 million, that is 45 crore Indian national rupees, its total box office collection was 1.53 billion, that is 153 crore Indian national rupees. But at that time, very few would have thought that this movie would set an massive impact on tourism industry and become an establishment in the market studies field. My name is Prasanna Moraskar. The film I am talking about is called Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, and let's analyze its mega impact. Before understanding this case study from economics and marketing point of view, let's take a quick glimpse at its plot. Story revolves around three school-time friends: Kabir Diwan, played by Abhay Deol, Imran Qureshi, played by Farhan Akhtar, and Arjun Saluja, played by Hrithik Roshan. Film starts with Kabir proposing his girlfriend Natasha, played by Kalki Koechlin, and is getting married. He invites two of his best friends, Imran and Arjun, for a 3-week-long bachelor's party road trip to Spain. It is shown them to meet in Barcelona. Kabir says that three of them have a long-standing pact, and during the road trip, each of them will pick an adventure sport which all three will try together. They plan to visit three different places. First is Costa Brava for underwater diving, which is Kabir's suggestion. Here they became friends with Katrina's character, Leila, who eventually they later discover is their underwater diving instructor. Here, Arjun confronts and overcomes his fear of aquaphobia with Leila's help. Leila suggests them to attend La Tomatina festival at nearby place, Bunor. The song Ek Junoon Ek Diwangi portrays this adventure. Second place they visit is Seville, which is Arjun's choice for skydiving. Imran here confronts and overcomes his acrophobia. Third place they visit is Pamplona for the running of bulls, which is obviously Imran's choice. Here they all confront and overcome their inner fears of survival in life. Now there are other twists, revelations and angles to this plot, but keeping it minimal for today's video, we can conclude that drawbacks and negatives of routine daily life like confusion, boredom, compulsion to work, maintaining false hopes, and even anxiety are all shown to be relieved and overcome by happy-go-lucky and therapeutic course like road trip, travel, journey, adventure, friendship, relieved sense of relationship, self-redemption, love, free will, free spirit, and life on one's own term, all of which is shown to be made possible in the periphery of Spain. After the release of this movie, tourism in Spain increased by an rapid leap of 65%, and this movie has now been included as a case study for a university course in marketing management in Spain. The marketing course shows Spain as a product and attributes how the film has increased country's tourism by 65%. It is displayed how this movie acts as a promotional brochure for Spain tourism. So, this can be considered a really good example how movies and media can create tourism boom and act as marketing campaigns. So guys, that's it for today. Unlike last video, which I narrated in both Hindi as well as English, I decided to try something new and record in English only. I am actually trying new methods of narration and will keep working on it. Hope this video was informational and productive for you. If so, please hit like and subscribe. Share with your friends and family and feel free to add your precious suggestions in comment section. I will be back very soon with some new topic. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe and keep growing guys.